Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ronnie with Cornerstone. We're a whole home service provider offering AC, plumbing, and electrical service. And in today's video, we're going to talk about why one might need to replace their water heater and the difference between tankless and tank. Let's get into it. Today I want to talk about a very important household appliance that we often take for granted, the water heater, and the difference between a tank and a tankless. Most people don't pay much attention to their water heaters until they stop working properly. However, did you know that the average lifespan of your water heater is 8 to 10 years? If your water heater is approaching or has exceeded this lifespan, it might be time to replace it. So how do you know when it's time to replace your water heater? There's a few signs to look for. Firstly, if you notice your hot water heater isn't as hot as it used to be, or if you're running out of hot water quicker than usual, this can indicate that your water heater is not functioning properly. Secondly, if you see leaks or puddles of water around your water heater, this could mean that the tank itself is corroded and starting to fail. Finally, if you hear strange noises coming from the water heater, such as popping, banging, this can mean that the water heating elements or the tank are starting to wear out. So what does a water heater really do for you? Simply, a water heater is an appliance that heats and stores water for use in your home. It works by either using gas or electricity to heat the tank, which is then stored until needed. When you turn on the hot water tap, the hot water from the tank is delivered to your faucet or your shower head. There are two types of water heaters available for residential homes, the standard tank type and the tankless water heater. The standard tank type is the most common type of water heater, and it holds a set amount of water, typically between 40 to 80 gallons. The tank refills and reheats the water when it runs out. The tankless water heater, on the other hand, heats the water as it's needed, without the need for a storage tank, meaning you have an endless supply of hot water throughout your home. So if you have a big family or multiple people living in the home, you don't have to worry about being the last person to shower at the end of the night and possibly taking a freezing cold shower after the whole family got to take a nice hot one. The tankless water heater is more energy efficient than the standard type, as it doesn't waste energy keeping the entire tank of water heated. Now, what are some of the benefits of installing a tankless water heater in your home? Firstly, they're more energy efficient, which can result in lower energy bills. Secondly, they have a longer lifespan than the standard type, with an average lifespan of 15 years or more. Thirdly, they take up less space, which can be very beneficial for small homes and apartments. Finally, they provide an endless supply of hot water, so you don't have to worry about running out of hot water during long showers or baths. In conclusion, your water heater is a very important appliance that you rely on every single day, and it's important to know when it's time to replace it. If you notice any signs that your water heater might need to be replaced, don't hesitate to contact a professional for an inspection. And if you're considering a replacement, it's important to weigh the pros and cons between the tankless and the tank to determine which is best for your household needs. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you got anything good out of this video, please like and subscribe. And if there's anything that we can help you with or any questions, please reach out to us at our main number at 813-949-4445 or reach out on our website at cornerstonepros.com. See you guys in the next video and stay cool.